The DJI Neo 2, the drone that's shaking up 2026. If you've ever dreamed of effortless aerial videography, stick around because by the end of this you'll be itching to get your hands on one. Let's jump right in. First off, let's set the stage. Drones have come a long way since those clunky early models that crashed more than they flew. Remember the original DJI Phantom? It was groundbreaking but heavy and complicated. Fast forward to the mini series, lightweight champs under 250 grams that didn't need FAA registration for recreational use. But DJI didn't stop there. In 2024, they dropped the original DJI Neo, a 135-gram marvel that took off from your hand and shot stabilized 4K video. It was a game changer for vloggers, hikers, and anyone who wanted cinematic shots without the hassle. But whispers started circulating in late 2025 about something even better, the Neo 2. Leaks from insider forums, FCC filings, and blurry photos on Reddit painted a picture of a drone that wasn't just an upgrade. It was a revolution. What makes these leaks so tantalizing? Picture this: you're out on a trail, phone in pocket, and this drone launches from your palm with a simple gesture. No app, no remote, just wave your hand, and it's airborne, tracking your every move. That's the magic of the DJI Neo 2's gesture control system. Straight from the leaks, early testers claimed it uses advanced AI to recognize poses like a peace sign for selfies or a thumbs up to start recording. And get this, it's got omnidirectional obstacle sensing. That means it sees trees, walls, people, everything around it in 360 degrees. No more heart-stopping crashes into branches during your epic bike ride. The forward-facing LiDAR sensor, as per those FTC docs, scans ahead like a mini radar, keeping it safe even in tight spaces. But let's talk specs because that's where the real excitement builds. The Neo 2 weighs in at just 151 grams, still super portable. And it's C0 certified in Europe, which means easy flying rules. For us in the USA, that lightweight design keeps it under the radar for casual use, but more on the band drama later. The camera? Oh man, this is where it shines. Upgraded to a 1/2-inch sensor with an f/2.2 aperture, bigger than the original Neos. That translates to sharper images in low light, less noise during golden hour shoots. It shoots 4K at 60 frames per second in H.265 codec for buttery smooth video that doesn't eat up your storage. And for those slow mo moments, 4K at 100 frames per second. Imagine capturing a splash in a lake or a dog leaping for a frisbee in ultra-slow detail. Stabilization? DJI's algorithms are on steroids here. Electronic image stabilization combined with the new sensor means footage that looks pro without a gimbal. Now you're probably wondering, how does it fly? The leaks reveal a 19-minute flight time per battery, not endless, but solid for its size. And with the Fly More combo, you get 3 batteries, pushing your session to nearly an hour. But the real hook is the control options. Pair it with the DJI Fly app for manual tweaks, or go controller free. There's even a Motion Fly More combo with RC Motion 3 and Goggles N3 for FPV flying. Feel like you're soaring through the air yourself. Tilting your head to steer, squeezing the trigger to accelerate. Leaked videos show users zipping through forests, chasing friends on skateboards, all with that immersive first-person view. It's not just a drone. It's an extension of your adventure. Hold on, though, let's address the elephant in the room. The US DJI ban. Back in late 2025, Congress passed rules restricting Chinese-made drones over security concerns. But here's the twist from the leaks. The Neo 2 snuck through FCC approval just before the cutoff in December 2025. Third-party sellers on Amazon are shipping them from US warehouses with free 2-day delivery. It's like DJI found a loophole. Insiders say models like the Lido 1 and X1 might be rebrands to dodge the ban. But the Neo 2 is flying under the radar, pun intended. If you're in the States, you can grab one without worries, as long as it's for personal use. But act fast. Stocks are limited, and prices are dipping. The original Neo is down to $159, making the Neo 2's $300-ish tag a steal for the upgrades. Speaking of upgrades, how does the Neo 2 stack up against its predecessor? The original Neo was awesome for beginners, palm takeoff, quick shots modes like Droney and Helix that auto-capture cool angles. But it lacked full obstacle avoidance. It only had downward sensing. The Neo 2 fixes that with omnidirectional tech, making it safer for indoor flights or crowded parks. Low light performance, the bigger sensor crushes it. Leaks show night shots with vibrant colors instead of grainy messes. Tracking, ActiveTrack on the Neo 2 is smarter, sticking to subjects even if they turn or speed up.